Species unlocked. My first mangrove snapper. So the same size as my hand. Good day, my fellow anglers. A Boholano angler here. We are here in Loboc, Bohol. So this is the Loboc River. So we are using this boat owned by Captain Alo Ricarme, one of the anglers, local anglers in this spot. So he has caught a lot of snappers and black bass. So that will be our target species for today. So we will hunt for mangrove jacks and also black bass. I'm hopeful that we'll be able to catch today. So let's go. Okay, so we are using our medium setup now. So we have the Shimano Sienna 4000, and then we have the Seabass medium rod, and I'll be using this lure. So this is Tsurinoya. Let's try to see. So the method of fishing that we will be doing today is trolling. So we'll just simply move the boat forward, and our lure of course will swim.
Ayo bato na naga.
Baka to.
Ano yun? Alam mo yun?
Lagi kilib ba?
Mangga ba na? Tol. Agi. Tol yun. May mga
Namik ilang mo yo.
dami o. Kailan mo na o. Masabot o dahon kay di na mo vibrate. Di palayaan naman ha?
Taktora? Layaan ba? Mga kuan siguro.
Okay ra kay umay makina ni dong pagtuga. Tayo lang.
So that's it. So we have already casted our line, so we'll just wait if something bites. Okay, we got a fish, but not in my... Whoa, it's a black bass. Nice one. Oh, mangrove snapper. Woo! Wait sa. Ibitan sa boss. Okay, retrieve sa na ako ah. Woo! Nice one. First catch. First catch for today. Wow. That's a huge mangrove snapper, man. This may be more than a kilo. I believe so. First catch for today. Nice one, lot. So that was our first catch. A really good catch by Alot. It's a big mangrove snapper. So as what I have said, that is our target species for today, along with the black bass, and if we're really lucky we can get the spot tail bass. So we are now again setting our line. Fish on. I hope it's a fish. Come on. It's a fish. First fish for today. I mean my first fish. Yeah. I hope it's a mangrove snapper. Yes. This is my first mangrove snapper. Whoa.
Arabe. Ambil ang grado.
Woo! Yes, finally, species unlocked. Yeah, species unlocked. My first mangrove snapper. So the same size as my hand. Whew. Finally. Okay, so we are done for today. So finally we are able to unlock a new species today. So I've been targeting this species for a long time now. So this big MJ is caught by a lot, the one who owns the boat, and this little guy is mine, but still in good size. So we will be cooking this today. So we will have a catch and cook video for you today. So Alot is now cleaning the fish, so let's leave it to the expert. So our fish is now chopped into pieces, and I will leave the cooking to the expert. So I'm not really good at cooking, so I'll leave it to MJ's mom to cook the fish. Sabaw. Okay. So in our dialect we call this one tinua. In Tagalog it's tinola. So it's basically fish with soup. We put some herbs, spices, and we have tomato.
Pechay.
Also we will put pechay.
Later.
This will be our dinner. So the soup is ready and we will have our dinner now.
Cheese! Hindi na maganda ito ang sabaw.
So that's the end of our vlog for today. So we have species unlocked, so we're very happy with that. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. That will be all. Stay safe and fish on.